ready? We got a good one. Jackson family, 75. Hutchinson family, 67. Give me Megan. Give me Chandra. Point values are double. We got top 5 answers on the board. Fill in the blank. Honk if you're what?
Horny.
Horny. Pass and play.
We're playing. We're definitely playing.
Boy, people at your church, y'all finna get a lot of new members at your church. Let's go, Jamie. Fill in the blank. Honk if you're what?
I'm gonna go with single.
Honk if you're single. Hey, Pam, honk if you're what?
Honk if you love your pet.
Honk if you love your pet.
That's right.
2 strikes, we gotta be careful. Hutchinson family can steal. Sarah, honk if you're what?
Honk if you're happy.
Honk if you're happy. 2 strikes, Jody. Hutchinson family can steal. Be careful. Honk if you're what?
Honk if you're hungry. You're hungry. Yeah?
Honk if you're hungry. All right, Hutchinson family, here we go. Fill in the blank. Honk if you're what?
Steve, we're gonna go with honk if you drunk.
Yeah!
Honk if you drunk! 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 Honk if you drunk!
Number 5. 4. Number 3. Steal anybody's game. Come on, let's go, ladies. We'll be right back.